Edx M2 January 2011, question 3, on the topic of general motion, where the acceleration is a function of time. Here's the question, and I've already copied down the details, so you pause the question and just pause the video and make sure you've read the question. So I've written down for the acceleration dv by dt is 4t cubed minus 12t. The information that when t is 0, v equals 8, and there's one more bit of information there which I could write down as well. It passes through the origin when t is 0, so x equals 0. X or s, we'll call it s equals 0. So we know dv by dt is that, so that's fine. We can integrate that directly. So v is the integral of 4t cubed minus 12t dt, so we get t to the fourth minus 6t squared plus c for v. But when t is 0, v is 8, we're told that, so that means c is 8. So that's it, we've got v now is t to the fourth minus 6t squared plus 8. That's the first part done for 3 marks. Let's go to the next page and copy that down. V equals t to the fourth minus 6t squared plus 8 we had. That was part A, that's done. Part B, the displacement of the particle. So I'm calling that S. Now V is ds by dt, the rate of change of displacement. So just like in the first part, we can now integrate. S is the integral of v dt. So let's integrate that expression. We get t to the fifth over 5 minus 2t cubed plus 8t. And again, we need a plus c. Now this time, using the initial conditions for the displacement, when t equals 0, it passed through the origin, it said. So t equals 0, s equals 0. Therefore c equals 0. So s equals t to the fifth over 5 minus 2t cubed plus 8t. That's another 3 marks clocked up then. Another 2 marks for part B. Now, the last part, I've copied the last part on the next slide. We've done part B. Part C, the values of t at which the particle is instantaneously at rest. Now, what we had from the first part of the question was v equals t to the fourth minus 6t squared plus 8. The first part. To find t when the particle is at rest instantaneously, that means v must be 0. And at first glance it looks like a difficult equation, but look at it carefully and you'll see it's a quadratic. Let's call t squared p, and this equation is p squared minus 6p plus 8 equals 0. Straightforward quadratic. Factorizes into p minus 4, p minus 2. So p is either 4 or 2. So t squared is 4. That means t is 2. Or t squared is 2, which means t is square root of 2. 1.414. 1.41 say. That's that part done. That's that. Yeah, that's all of it. Yeah. So let's put the marks in. For this first part, as far as the marks go, there were 3 marks. Method mark for writing acceleration as dv by dt and attempting the integration, and an accuracy mark for integrating correctly, and an accuracy mark for finding the c. For the second part, for 2 marks, there was an M1 and an A1 for that, an M1 for integrating again, and an A1 for finding the correct C and getting the right expression. And for the last bit, for 3 marks for this bit, there was a method mark for putting v equals 0, a method mark for solving the equation, and an accuracy mark for getting the right values of t. And that's it. Thank you for listening.